What's up guys, Rich Duper Bash. I'm out here in the garage. I'm going to try and keep this kind of short. I've got one of my, probably my all-time favorite rig right here. This is my ARRMA Typhon 6S, my trugified Typhon. And as many of you guys know, that the trugified essentially just means it's been widened for direct fit Creighton hexes, stub axles, and hubs. It gives it a nice wide stance. M2C Racing, shout out to Mitch. He's been absolutely killing it with the upgrades this year. Here's a quick shot of the long-awaited suspension mounts. I've been testing these rears for quite a while with my Outcast 6S. I just absolutely thumped on them at the skate park several weeks back, and then I just beat on them again this weekend with my brother Aaron. So I'll put some footage after this. I just want to do a quick little bench overview. And a shout out to Eric with RC Dude 81. What's up, bro? He's already done a great little how-to assembly video on this if you guys want to check it out. Here's a shot of the front mounts here, and as he stated in his video, this comes with the hardened hinge pins. And the difference in this system here is basically it takes a nut on each side. You're going to use thread lock on it has a lock nut and a regular nut. So you'll be using thread lock on the regular nut, and then you've got these little plastic spacers in here. So shout out to Mitch. The fit and finish of this is absolutely beautiful. The only thing with this is his design, essentially, instead of this the B block getting locked in on the chassis, it actually gets locked in the front with these two bolts right here. So but the action on this is butter smooth, guys, because what you have is you have the pin running on these. You have your hinge pins that are gliding on these little Delrin inserts. Here's more of a close-up shot of the blocks out of the package, guys, but you'll see they're a mirror finish, absolutely butter smooth. So you know, huge hats off to Mitch for this. This is something that's there's essentially been a shortage on these blocks for the ARRMA 6S rig. So this is going to be absolutely awesome for us. Got a little body rub there. All right, guys. Well, these Terremoto wheels, unfortunately, you know, they're super fun on the street, good grip and slip, but you'll see I got a big crack here in like 2 or 3 of the spokes. Could have been from a hard tumble. You'll see I've got some mud packed in here. So anyway, I think these are kind of a light duty wheel, probably a little too much for an 8 scale with harder bash. My only backups from my old Duratrax wheels. These are over 3 years old, so we'll see how they hold up. Right into the headwind, guys. I won't even flip. Well, that was a slicer. Ooh! ARRMA Tough, baby.